Auntie, it's so good to see you. My dear, you too.
Come here.
I've missed this.
Me too.
Come, let's cook this yummy egusi soup. Ooh, these are our ingredients.
Auntie, it's so good to see you. My dear, you too.
Come here.
I've missed this.
Me too.
Stir it slowly, dear. Let the flavors blend.
It smells amazing already.
Here, taste this.
Mama, this is your egusi sweet dio. I'm glad you like her, my dear.
I miss my mama cooking.